Good afternoon, students. Today we're going to talk about interdependence among living things and the environment. Interdependence among living things and the environment. Living things, initially, environment. Our environment. The things you see around you are all environment. How does living thing and environment move together? How are they friends? How are they interacting each other? How are they interdependent on each other? So that is what we are going to look at today. From High School Book 3. High Book School 3. Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1. So we have what we call organisms. Organisms with common characteristics that can breed among themselves. We have here species. Species are organisms that can breed among themselves. Number 2, we are talking about population. Population is made up of organisms of the same species. Organisms of the same species. Organisms of the same species. Living at a particular place. Organisms of the same species living at a particular place. So that is called population. And then number 3, community. Community of organisms is made up of few population living in the same habitat. Few, little, noise species, organisms, living at a particular place. So few organisms living at a place is called community, habitat. Okay. And then 4, we talk about ecosystem. Ecosystem refers to community of organisms living in the same habitat, interacting with the non-components in the environment. Organisms interacting with non-components, living things, or non-living components in the environment. So these are the few things we can say that interdependence among living things and the environment. Interdependence among living things and the environment. Please, living things, environment. Our environment is mixed or is comprising of living thing and non-living thing, but we all interact each other. We all interact to each other. So that is the little explanation I can give you, okay, about interdependence among living things and the environment. We have 4 systems: organisms, species, population, community, and we have ecosystem. These are categories groups of living things living at a place interacting with non-components living or with non-living components. So that is it, Kiam Pasatai. Let's quickly do some work under what we have studied. Open your book to page 2. Natizon or Natizon or Natizon. That very quickly. For example, number 1, fill in the blanks with the answers. We have answers. I need top answers. So I need so corner is population. Organisms of the same species that reproduce and live in a particular habitat. That is A. B. Ecosystem. Living things interacting with the non-living components in the environment. C. Community. Different group of organisms living together in a habitat. Code D. And it for nothing some. Code D. Tam in. Like code do any two pond. In the pond, me allow seaweed, me prawn, air, water, fish, sunlight. Sunlight, air, water. Mine means seaweed. But seaweed, prawn, fish. See me seaweed. Mine means seaweed. Move together. So here step 3, population of organisms in the pond. Kosong tam in kap. Kosong tam in kap. Okay. So we will end here and we will continue next time. Thank you very much for your contribution and for listening. See you again. Goodbye.